We live in a universe that has both the personal and the impersonal, the animate and the inanimate, and yet there is an all-pervasive being and consciousness. Hindu Dharma recognizes that the divine can be found in form and beyond form, and that it has the capacity of personal manifestation and can also be impersonal. Even in our own lives, we assume many different roles and many different circumstances that may be personal, impersonal, public, private, and so forth. So in the Hindu thought, we don't create these exclusive categories where one goes against the other, form versus no form, personal versus impersonal. Rather, we see their ability to integrate and provide many sides of things. The divine is present in all things. It's in the rock, it's in the tree, it's in the earth, it's in the sky, it is in the waters. It has all these qualities and characteristics, yet is also present in the plant, the animal, the human being, beings more subtle beyond the human being. It has the power of self-awareness and self-consciousness, communicating with itself in various forms of different creatures. So it embraces both, and we don't need to create an unnecessary dichotomy there. There is a person or presence in all things. If we communicate even to a tree or to a plant as a living being, we can establish a line of communication. You can do that with the sun, the moon, the stars. Consciousness is in all things. We live in a user-friendly universe pervaded by consciousness, but we have to recognize that consciousness to make a personal connection. And yet we must recognize that the ultimate truth is impersonal in the sense that it is not limited to the view of any particular individual, mind, creature, name, and form. So if we look at how Hindu Dharma views these factors, we see that it honors what life presents to us and shows us the need to recognize these aspects, form, formless, personal, impersonal, in ourselves, in others, and as constituting a boundless universe.